We have here a sister party under the leadership of Samen Busuttil, which we want to support because Samen Busuttil is a leader who is well connected in the European Union. That is what we want to show.
Should he become Malta's next Prime Minister, and if yes, why?
The current government has problems, especially the shadow of the Panama scandal, about the Panama questions on the table. For the moment, they didn't clarify this. So there is a question on possible corruption on the table. That is on the table. And I think Malta has a right to get a better government, to get a government under the leadership of Samen Busuttil, who is really, let me say honest, who is really working on the interest of the people, on the daily life of people, and is well connected, I say this again, on European level. That's today necessary, especially for a small country like Malta, so he would be a great Prime Minister. Malta is a place where we have a lot of issues on the table in the Mediterranean Sea about the refugee problems, and we can talk here about the dimension of the economic challenges for Europe in the southern area of Europe. These are aspects which are important for the future of our continent. That's why it is a good place. And the second point is that we have here a sister party under the leadership of Samen Busuttil, which we want to support because Samen Busuttil is a leader who is well connected in the European Union. That is what we want to show.